Hello students, this is a video for the polynomial part 2.
We have to discuss the continuation of the polynomial exercise 4.1. The question number is fourth one. Write the degrees of the following polynomials. The first question is 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x. The second question is 4 minus y square, and the third question is 5t minus root 7, and the fourth question is 3. Solution. We have to see that what is the degree of each question. The first question is 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x. In the question, x is the variable. In the first term highest exponent, the first term exponent is 3. The second term is 4x square, their exponent power is 2, and the third term is 7x, the exponent power is 1. Means in that one, 3 terms are there. In each term, exponent is different are there. 1 is 3 is there, 1 is 2 is there, 1 is 1 is there. In that, among the 3 exponent, which is the highest one number? Either 1, 2, 3. Which is the highest one? 3 is the highest one. That 3 is the highest one is there. No, that one we should consider as a degree of this given polynomial. 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x. Its degree of the variable or the polynomial is how much is there, student? 3. Here that's why it is given as here wrote as a 3. The second question, 4 minus y square. The second polynomial 4 minus y square, the variable is y. The exponent of the variable is 2. Then degree is 2 only, because other variable term is not there. 4 is a constant is there. Okay. The highest exponent of the variable is the degree of the polynomial is there. Okay. That's why its degree is 2. See the students, third question. What is the variable in the third question? Which is the English small alphabet is there, no? That only it is considered as a variable. Yes, you are the right. T is the variable. What is the exponent? You are thinking, sir, there is not given any exponent. Means always 1 is there. If it is not there, means t raised to. Here the t is there. No, this t raised to 1 is there. And another one variable term is not there. This is only the highest exponent of the variable. Then t to the power of is what? 1. Yes, its degree is also 1 is there. Okay. And this is called as a linear equation, student. This is a linear whose degree is 1, that is a linear. Whose degree is 2, quadratic. Whose degree is 3, cubical one. And here see the student, the fourth is a very important question and unique is there here. There is no English alphabet. Then what we have to call it as a constant polynomial. As the first one is a cubical polynomial, second one is a quadratic polynomial, and the third one is a linear polynomial, and the fourth one is a constant polynomial. The constant polynomial is those there is no English alphabet, only the numerical value number. Okay, only the real numbers are present here. Then there is no variable, means then consider any one variable is x to the power of 0. Okay, then only x to the power of 0 is 1. 1 into 3 is 3 only, like that it is. Means no variable, its degree is no. No means 0. Okay. The constant polynomial, keep in mind the constant polynomial whose degree is 0. Linear polynomial means x to the power of y to the power of t to the power of p to the power of m to the power of 1 is there. The highest exponent is that only the 1 is. Then it's a degree, that polynomial we have to call it as a linear polynomial. Okay. The degree is 2 is there. Then what we have to call it as quadratic polynomial. The degree is 3 is there. What we have to call it as cubical polynomial. It is keep in your mind, students. It is very useful for the next question to attempt it is. Okay, let's we have to move to the next question. See the students, the fifth question is classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomials. Classify as a linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and cubical polynomials. Like that we have to classify. The question is already it is printed on that one screen. The first question is, see the students, what is the first question? X square plus x. On what basis we have to classify this one? Quadratic is there, linear is there, cubical is there, means how we should identify. That is very important, students. See the first one question in the fifth bit, x square plus x. The degree of the polynomial, already in the previous question we are discussed degree of the polynomial. According to that knowledge, what is the degree of this one polynomial? See the both the term x square plus x. X is the variable here. One is the exponent is 2, one is exponent is 1. In that highest one is 2 is there. Then what about its degree? 2. See, if the degree is 2 is there, if the degree is 2 is there, then we have to say that it is definitely quadratic polynomial. See, here wrote the answer is quadratic polynomial because its degree is what is there? 2 is there, students. See here, what about the degree of the polynomial? The highest exponent is what in the second question? 3. If the highest exponent is 3, then the degree of the polynomial is 3. If the degree of the polynomial is 3, what kind of the polynomial it is? Yes, definitely it is a cubical polynomial. And the third one, the highest exponent of the variable is 2, then degree is 2, we should consider the degree 2 variable polynomial, we have to call it as a quadratic polynomial. Yes or no? The third one is a quadratic polynomial. And the fourth one, the highest exponent, x to the power of, x to the power is 1. Nothing is wrote here, x to the power. Power is nothing wrote, means always 1. Then degree is 1 polynomial, what we have to call it as? We call it as linear one. Okay students, here also, see here in the fourth one, 3t, only one term is there. Here variable is there, t is there, t to the power of 1. Then variable power is 1. Such kind of the polynomial we have to call it as a linear polynomial. And the sixth one here, variable is r is there, students. It is r square. R square. R square means exponent is 2. The exponent 2 is nothing but here highest exponent is also the 2 only. The degree is 2. Hence the degree 2 polynomial we have to call it as what? What? A quadratic polynomial. See, sixth one is what? A quadratic polynomial. And the seventh one, 7x cube means it is a cubical polynomial. Yes, no doubt at all, it is a cubical polynomial because its highest degree of the variable is what? 3 is there, students. Okay, we have to move to the next. Next concept is zeros of a polynomial. Zeros of a polynomial is a very important and a special concept in the polynomial. In the equations, these zeros of a polynomial, we have to call it as a roots or solution of a equation. In the polynomial, we have to call it as zeros of a polynomial. What is that zeros of a polynomial? We have to focus on that one concept. The zeros of a polynomial concept is like this, students. See here it is a statement. P of x is the polynomial, any polynomial. P of x is nothing but one of the polynomial whose variable is x is there. Always x only means not there compulsory. We have to consider one variable, no, that's why supposed to I considered x here. P of x is the polynomial of a degree greater than 0. The polynomial what we are considered, it is not be the constant polynomial. The constant polynomial zeros is not possible to find it is. The variable should be present. P of x is the polynomial of a degree greater than 0. That polynomial degree is greater than 0. Means P of x is any polynomial whose degree is greater than 0. And k is the any real number. One real number constant I am considered k. Suppose to k is the any real number. If P of k is equals to 0 or any real number or any constant, not only real, it may be sometimes a variable also. K is the any real number or constant, k is the constant. If P of k is equals to 0, what that k constant is there, no? That k we are substituted, replace the variable. And I put it that one k values, constant value. P of k is equals to 0, then k is called 0 of a polynomial. After substituting that constant value in the polynomial, means replace the variable in that place of the variable. Here x is there, no? In the place of x, what we are substituted k. Entire the polynomial you should substitute like that only. Each place of the variable x, you have to replace k only. Then simplify. If you have got 0, after simplification you get the 0. For what value you have to get the 0? By putting the k in the polynomial only. Then that k is called as 0 of a polynomial. We have to discuss about that one example we have to consider here. The example is like this. P of x is equals to x square minus x minus 6. Find the P of 3 and justify. Find the value of P of 3 and justify. P of x, see the student here, P of x, x is nothing but entire the polynomial, we have to put the variable is x only, P of x. We should consider the variable is x. X square minus x minus 6 is there. P of 3 is nothing but what is the students here? Where the x is there put the 3. Okay, see here. P of x means x is replaced, what they have to consider 3. Means in the RHS also x square is there, no? In the x you have to put a 3. 3 is square minus as it is. Here x is there, x is 3. 3 minus 6. 6 can't be replaced because it is not the variable. Only we have to replace variable only. Okay. That one solution we have to see that students. P of x is equals to x square minus x minus 6 is there. After substituting the x value is 3, in the solution what will happens? P of 3. P of 3 is equals to 3 square minus 3 minus 6. You got it? Okay. The next step is what is? Again P of 3 only it will become students. See here. P of, what is came here? P of 3 is equals to 3 square. 3 into 3, not 3 twos. 3 square means the base, what is the number is there, that is multiplied twice. 3 3s are 9. Minus 3 as it is minus 6. Okay. We have to see that what is the next step. P of 3 is equals to 9 as it is first. Minus 3 means minus 3 minus 6. Both are the same integer, same sign integer. Then we should add and keep the sign is as it is. Okay. Then it becomes minus 3 minus 6 is minus 9. P of 3 is equals to 9 minus 9. Then what it becomes? P of 3 is equals to 0. P of 3 is equals to 0. Then which is the 0 of a polynomial here? Which is the 0 of a polynomial here? Here, therefore, 3 is a 0 of the polynomial. Which is 0 of a polynomial? Yes, 3 is the 0 of a polynomial, because by substituting the 3 in the given polynomial, then it becomes the 0. Hence, it is the 3 is the 0 of a polynomial. Okay. Understood, students? For what constant value, the given polynomial is becomes the 0, that constant is the 0 of a polynomial. If suppose it not becomes the 0, suppose P of 3, if your quoted value is not becomes the 0, suppose, then that 3 is not the 0 of a polynomial. Okay, any constant values are obtained, then we have to say that it is not the 0 of a polynomial. Okay, we have to move to the next. See the students, same concept only. What is the concept? Zeros of a polynomial only. We have to discuss about the second example, example number 2. Find the value of the polynomial P of t is equals to 5t square minus 3t plus 7 at t is equals to 1. Okay, what is the question? P of t is equals to 5t square minus 3t plus 7 at t is equals to 1. Means where the t is there in the polynomial, at the place of t, put the value is 1. See the students, solution step. At t is equals to 1, P of t replaced as P of 1 is equals to 5 into 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 1. Okay, in the given polynomial where the t is there we have to put it or replace that t as 1. Next step, see the students, 5 into 1 square is 1, 1 5 is 5 only, 1 square is 1, that 1 into 5 is 5 only, minus 3 1s are 3 as it is plus 7. Then P of 1 is equals to what it becomes? 5 minus 3 plus 7 it becomes. The next step, 5 minus 3 is what? 2 remains. 5 minus 3 is 2 plus 7 is as it is. Then P of 1 is equals to 9. See the students, here P of 1 at the t is equals to 1, at the t is equals to 1, the given polynomial is not came the value is 0. The constant number here came 9 remains. Okay, P of 1 is equals to 9. Then 1 is the 0 of a polynomial, yes or no here? According to the statement of the 0 of a polynomial, it k is any constant after replacing the variable. Okay, P of k is equals to 0, then only it is k is called as a 0 of a polynomial. Here P of 1 is not equals to 0. P of 1 is equals to 9 came. Then P of 1 is equals to 9 is there means is not equals to 0 means therefore we should say the statement 1 is not the 0 of the polynomial. Clear it is. 1 is not the 0 of the polynomial because that is the reason here P of 1 is not equals to 0. Here P of 1 is equals to 9 is came, no. For that the reason 1 is not the 0 of the polynomial. I hope you understood, students, the concept of zeros of a polynomial. How to verify the given constant number, the given constant is zeros of a polynomial or not, how to check it is. Just substitute that constant in the place of the variable of a given polynomial and find out their values. If it is came 0, then we come to the conclusion the given constant is a 0 of a polynomial. If not came 0, that one specific value, we should say that that is not the 0 of the polynomial. Okay, I hope you understood this one, students. We have to move to the next. The exercise 4.2. We have to discuss about that one. Exercise 4.2. The first question. Find the value of the polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at 3 question is given. Only one polynomial. Each question number 1, 2, 3 are the subheadings are there. Each question the polynomial you should be considered what? 5x minus 4x square plus 3 only. The first one at x is equals to 0. The second one at x is equals to minus 1. And the third one at x is equals to 2. Okay, students. We have to see that one. How we have to solve this one. The first one x is equals to 0 is there now. On that one concept. Firstly, we should consider the given polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3 is there now. I will call it as p of x. What is the meaning of the p of x? Polynomial with variable x. With respect to the variable is what? X. P is nothing but a polynomial. Polynomial of x is equals to 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Okay, as it is. Now, what is the first problem? X is equals to, what is that one? X is equals to 0 is there. At x is equals to 0, then p of 0 is equals to 5 into 0, means where the x is there, they replace the 0, it is minus 4 into 0 plus 3. Okay. Then 0 square here actually is the 0 square. If it is put it 0 square, put here a square it is. Okay. After putting the 0 square is also 0 only. Okay, students. The next p of 0 is equals to 5 into 0 is 0 minus 4 into 0 is 0 plus 3. Okay. Then what is the p of 0 is equals to 3 only. Means this value, this 3 is obtained now. This value is not came the 0. After putting the constant is 0 is there. P of 0 is equals to 3. Okay, this is a value. Just we have to find the x is equals to 0 what it came. Don't be justified. Is 0 of the polynomial or not? You should not be justified. Not asked no. It is not the 0 of a polynomial here. 3 is obtained, hence 0 is not the 0 of a polynomial. We can give the justification. Okay. You understood? P of 0 is equals to what? 3. See the students, the second one, the same polynomial p of x is equals to 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at x is equals to what? At x is equals to minus 1. We have to see that one at x is equals to minus 1. What is that one? P of minus 1. P of minus 1 is equals to 5 into minus 1 minus 4 into minus 1 square plus 3. Where the x is there replace the minus 1. Okay, here x square is there, minus 1 square plus 3 as it is. Then what is the next step it is obtained? P of minus 1 is equals to 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. Minus into minus, here minus into minus is become, so actually plus it is, but not like that here. Here see the students, minus 1 square is there. Means first we have to operate inside the bracket. Okay, minus 1 square, minus square is plus. Okay, minus square is plus, plus into minus is minus, that's why it is a minus. Understood? Don't multiply minus into minus plus like that, it is not happens. Inside the bracket first it is a simplified according to the rule of Bodemas rules. inside the bracket you should be simplify first. Minus 1 square is a plus 1. Plus 1 into 4 minus 4 plus 3 as it is. Okay. And the next step, simplify. Minus 5 minus 4 is a minus 9. Minus 9 plus 3. Minus 9 becomes no, these two minus is there, if you are added it becomes minus 9. Minus 9 plus 3 is a minus 6. Then P of 0 is not, it is actually, see here, P of 0 is not there, actually it is a P of minus 1. P of minus 1 is equals to what it becomes? Minus 6. Okay, like that only you should simplify the next one. At x is equals to 2, same polynomial, P of x is equals to 5x minus 4x square plus 3. At x is equals to 2, what it becomes? P of 2 is equals to 5 into 2 minus 4 into 2 square plus 3. Okay, then what it is becomes? 5 2s are 10. Okay, here see the students, 2 square is a no, 2 square is a 4. The 2 square is a 4, 4 4s are 16, it is like that. 2 square is 4, 4 4s are, here outside is a 4 is a 4 4s are 16 minus 16 plus 3 as it is. Okay, and simplify this one students. 10 minus 16, 10 minus 16 is minus 6. Minus 6 plus 3 is what? Minus 3 plus 6. Minus 6 plus 3 is remains no. Minus 6 plus 3 is minus 3 only it is. Okay, or 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 minus 16 is minus 3. Like that also you can be simplify. Both positive term to add. Plus 10 plus 3 is plus 13. 13 minus 16 is minus 3. Then P of 2 is equals to what it is came? P of 2 is equals to minus 3. Okay. Just